Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my August favorites. This is my very first monthly favorite video. I don't know if I'm going to do it every month because I really don't accumulate products all that fast, but once every few months I think I will do, and then we'll kind of see how that goes from there. I really love watching these videos. I love to see what people are using, what's working for them, and it really helps me figure out what I'm going to buy for myself. So I hope that this video helps you guys out and that you really enjoy it. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so for the first thing I'm going to be talking about, it is a face wash, and I have mentioned this in my skincare favorites, but I had to just mention it again because I love this face wash. It is amazing. It is the Shiseido Quick and Gentle Cleanser, and then there's this name up here. I think you pronounce it Waso. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but the brand is Shiseido, and it's amazing. I just love it. My skin has never felt softer and is just really nice. I wash my face twice a day, in the morning and at night, with this. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is the Benefit Dallas, and it says it's a blush, but I use it as a bronzer, and you can see it is pretty bronze. I really like this. It is super pigmented. Let's see if I can swatch it for you. This light is so bright. So there is the swatch. It's kind of hard to swatch because this light is so super bright, and I'm not really sure how to fix different lighting things yet. I'm still getting used to my camera, but it doesn't seem like it'd be that pigmented. It doesn't seem very dark, but when I use it, I actually use this little brush that it came with, which I have a couple other brushes that he used for bronzer, which I'm not sure. This one, I like it. It picks up a lot of product though. Anyway, so I went to go put it on. I'm actually have it on right now, and I put the first one on. I was like, whoa! So it was very pigmented when I put it on. So just a warning, if you guys decide to use this, it is super pigmented. But other than that, I really like it. It really complements my skin tone well. And yeah, like I said, I use it as a bronzer, not a blush. Next, you guys see, if you guys watch my videos a lot, you see this in pretty much every video. This is my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is in the shade W3. This is my go-to foundation. I will use other foundations, but this is the one I use 90% of the time, especially if my skin is feeling super dry, because it gives my skin a really pretty luminosity to it, and it doesn't make my skin feel dry at all, which, if you guys don't know, I have super dry skin. So yeah, this is my go-to foundation. Next, I'm going to be talking about what I use to fill in my eyebrows, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And in this shade, this is in the shade Taupe. I really like this. I actually have another brow pencil, it's the Milani, which I do like that one, but it does seem to clump sometimes. So on one end it has this spoolie, and I just use that to brush through my brows. And then on the other end it has the pencil, and you can make it. OMG, guys, that is all I have left. I have to go buy a new one now. I didn't know how low I was. Yep. Oh, that's awful. This is my first one, so I would have just gone through my first one, which just lasted a long time. But anyways, this pencil's super smooth. I feel like with the Milani one, it does get kind of chunky, and but this one just kind of glides on. It's really perfect, and this is what I use for the inner half of my brow, and then I use the Milani one for the outer half because it's darker, and I kind of like that ombre effect. But if I'm not doing a super dramatic brow, I will use just this pencil. Next, I'm going to talk about a couple concealers. This one is the MAC Select Cover Up concealer, and this is in the shade NW15. So this is a shade or two lighter than my skin tone, because I do like to put a lighter concealer in the places that I highlight. So underneath my eyes, my chin, down the center of my nose, Cupid's bow, and center of my forehead. I just feel like it makes highlighting easier, and it gives my face a lot of shape, and it's not so flat, I guess. But anyways, this is a really good concealer. It blends out really well. I love this concealer. The next one is quite a bit cheaper, but it's still really, really good. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser of Dark Circles. So it has this little eraser thing on it, and you just click it up, and then I like to put it right beneath my eyes, and it kind of goes on pink at first, and then once you blend it in, it just brightens up your eyes, and it's so beautiful. I love this product, love it. This, if I'm doing a super minimalistic look, or even with no makeup at all, I'll just put this underneath my eyes and I'll be done, and I look like fresh and awake, and I just love this. So I highly recommend this. I think this was like $6, so I love this. Now I'm going to talk about a couple of lip products. The first ones are these Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm, and I have two colors. I have 220 and 210. So this one is more of like a corally pink, and then this one is more like a true pink, but it has some like purple undertones in it. I love both of these. I want to go and get more colors, and I'm gonna have to get more anyways, because you can see these are running very, very low, and they're my favorite thing for my daughter to get into, to put her lipstick on when I'm not looking, and she loves these too. So yeah, but I love these. They the only thing is they're not good at really staying. Like if you touch your lips, they'll come off, like, so that's the only thing. But the colors are really, really pretty. They don't have a great staying power, but the colors are super pretty and they're easy to apply. Next is my other go-to, which is more for like a neutral look, and this is my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Precious. So that's where it says Milani, and then turn it over. I love this. This is what I have on my lips right now, and as you can see, like nothing comes off. This stays on your lips, stays. And it's a really, really pretty color. I want to go get more colors because I really, really like this. But yeah, these have been my go-to lip products. If I'm wearing lipstick, it's one of these usually, and unless I'm doing like a red lip, which I don't do too often. And last, for the eyes, I'm just going to talk about a couple of products. The first thing I wanted to talk about is this MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And I love this. I use this a lot for a primer on my eyes. I really, really like it. It hides, it acts as like a concealer too. It hides any like veins or any unevenness in the eyes, and I love to do this as a base for before my eyeshadow. Last, I wanted to talk about my Sweet Peach palette. You guys have seen me use this probably a lot, and I did a tutorial on that. I will link it down below, of an eye look using just these colors. So here are the colors here. If you guys want me to do a full review on this palette and do swatches and everything like that, just let me know and I can do that. Or if you want to see any more tutorials using this palette. It does smell like peaches. It smells amazing. So just like yes, I love it. And I love the colors. There are a lot of warm colors, which is what I normally gravitate towards. And the pinks and peaches in here, I like to use because I have brown eyes, so they kind of make my eyes pop a little bit more than just browns and blacks. Alright guys, that's my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.